I'm grateful to have the third graders from East Elementary to visit us on Missouri Day. They got to work with my baking students to decorate Missouri-shaped cookies, and we got to label the rivers and the capital and some of the cities. I had my students bake 112 sugar cookies yesterday, and they learned about how to frost cookies. I talked a little bit about how to communicate with kids who are younger than them, and just make sure that they had a good time.
The fact that we get to eat it.
My favorite part was just showing them how to do everything. It's really nice to just show kids what to do.
It was probably getting to talk with third graders because they were really fun to talk to.
My favorite part was watching my kids interact with the younger kids. You get to see a side of them that you don't usually see. This would be our first time, but we hope to do it again in the future.